Planning your first cruise with your child and don't know where to start? Well, worry not, because today we're diving into the exciting world of cruising, providing a treasure trove of practical tips to make your maiden voyage smooth sailing. First things first, packing. While it's tempting to pack everything but the kitchen sink, remember that space is a premium on a cruise ship. Focus on essentials and versatile clothing. Don't forget swimwear for the pool and beach days, as well as a lighter jacket for cooler evenings on deck. And of course, pack plenty of sun protection from hats to sunscreen. Next, keep in mind that cruises are a hub of activities. Many cruise lines offer a variety of kid-friendly options, from puppet shows to magic acts and even dedicated kids clubs. Do some research before you set sail to see what's available on your ship. And remember, it's okay to split up for a while. Your child can enjoy the kids club while you have some well-deserved relaxation time. While the ship itself is a hive of activity, don't forget about the exciting ports of call. From tropical beaches to bustling markets, each port offers a new adventure. That said, it's important to plan your excursions wisely. Some may not be suitable for younger children, while others might be the highlight of their trip. Speaking of ports, a word about documentation. If you're traveling internationally, ensure that your passports are up to date and bring a copy of your child's birth certificate. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Lastly, remember that cruises are all about having fun. Whether it's snorkeling in turquoise waters, tasting new cuisines, or simply watching the ocean waves from the deck, there's no right or wrong way to enjoy a cruise. So take a deep breath, relax, and get ready to make some unforgettable memories. To summarize, when planning a cruise trip with your child, remember to pack wisely, explore the onboard activities, plan your excursions, ensure your documentation is in order, and above all, have fun. Bon voyage, future cruisers. And here's to smooth sailing on your first cruise adventure.